Hey friends, today we're making easy apple fritters, the coziest treat for this time of year. Let's start with 1 cup of milk. It doesn't have to be warm, just regular milk works fine. Next I'm adding some melted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, a splash of vanilla, and a little cinnamon for that warm fall flavor. Whisk it all together until smooth. Now add a pinch of salt, a bit of baking powder, and some flour. Finally, toss in 1 diced apple. I like to cut mine into tiny little pieces and keep adding flour until the batter reaches a nice pancake-like consistency. I'm using avocado oil and a small cookie scoop that holds about 2 teaspoons of batter. Drop them in carefully and don't flip them too soon. Wait until you see that beautiful golden color on the bottom. Then gently turn them until they're evenly golden all over. Once done, place them on parchment paper to absorb any excess oil, then roll them in a mix of cinnamon and sugar. And that's it, fluffy, warm apple fritters that taste even better than store-bought donuts. They're soft, cozy, and perfect for the season. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly recipes and early childhood ideas. Happy season, and I'll see you in the next one.